Most people think building wealth is about luck, timing the market, or working 80 hours a week. The truth? It's small, consistent habits that stack up over time. Today I'm sharing 10 simple habits that can actually make you wealthy, and you can start them today. Let's go. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, send a percentage to savings or investments before you spend a dime. Even if it's just 10%, automate it so you don't have to think about it. This one habit alone puts you ahead of most people who save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Weekly budgets, not monthly. Monthly budgets fail because you can overspend early and run out of money. Break it into weekly amounts instead. If your food budget is $400 a month, that's $100 a week. You get smaller, easier to track goals and faster feedback if you overspend. The 1 minute rule for spending. Before you buy something online or in person, wait 60 seconds and ask yourself, do I actually need this? Or do I just want it right now? That pause cuts impulse spending and gives your brain time to make a smarter decision. Track every dollar. For 30 days, write down everything you spend. Use a simple notes app or a free budget tracker. Most people are shocked at where their money goes. Once you see the leaks, you can plug them fast. Shop around for bills. Every few months, check prices for your internet, insurance, or phone plan. Call and ask for a better rate or switch providers. You could save hundreds a year without changing your lifestyle at all. Learn one new money skill each quarter. Pick your skills a year that can help you earn or save more money, like investing basics, side hustles, negotiations, or credit building. Spend 3 months focused on each. By the end of the year, you've leveled up in 4 different ways without feeling overwhelmed. Invest in yourself. Courses, books, certifications, even a gym membership. If it improves your health, knowledge, or earning ability, it's worth it. The better you get, the more valuable you are in the marketplace. Have an accountability partner. Find someone with similar goals and check in weekly. Share wins, losses, and what you're working on. People with accountability partners are far more likely to hit their targets than those who go at it alone. Schedule weekly money check ins. Pick one time a week to review your accounts, spending, and progress. It only takes 10 minutes but keeps you in control. Think of it as a mini board meeting of your finances. Focus on progress, not perfection. You don't have to get everything right from day one. The key is consistency. If you improve just 1% every day, save a little more, spend a little less, learn something new, the results compound over time into something huge. These 10 habits aren't flashy. They're not about getting rich overnight, but if you stick with them, you'll look back a year from now and see major changes in your bank account and your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop in the comments which habit you're starting today.